you are in my video. So that is my husband, guys. Yes, if you don't know, he is mine. He's kind of shy and he don't like to talk. She's just like very gentle, right? Not like me. I'm not that gentle. He's very gentle.
My favorite producer on Dixon Beats.
Getting here, Peanuts. So today I'm back with another Peanuts. Like I told you, we are here in Alpha Safari. So that was the second surprise on the Valentine's weekend, right? And I'm enjoying it. So we came in the morning, settled in our room, had a breakfast, but it's time for lunch. And guys, I'm dressed down, but I don't know why. I'm having some migraine and also, I don't know, I'm kind of tired. I think I need a massage. I don't know if T is going to allow that because I had one already. So, but I still need it. My nerve is so bad. So I think we are going to call for our lunch to bring to the room. Maybe, I don't know, but that is what I feel right now. Yeah, so the morning the breakfast was a buffet. So this afternoon you can just let them bring your lunch in the room so that you know where you can have a quality time and eat gently and peacefully. So yeah, I think that is what we are going to be doing for lunch. And after lunch you go ahead and go to the pool or go for the boat ride, right? Yeah. So right now, okay, so this is how I was gonna go. So with my boyfriend jeans, so with my red purse and a red heels, and I don't know if he's going to come. My husband is also dressed down. Honey, can you please sit here? I know. Oh, look at him. You are in my video. So that is my husband, guys. Yes, if you don't know, he is mine. He's kind of shy and he don't like to talk. She's just like very gentle, right? Not like me. I'm not that gentle. He's very gentle. So I know you guys want to know him, but today we are busy enjoying our getaway. So maybe sometimes we're going to do a husband tag video so that you guys will get to know my husband. I know many of you have been sending me your question, but don't worry. Wait, hold on, and getting here. Let's continue with today's video. Like I told you, I'm not really feeling well, so we order our lunch to the room. We do not go for the buffet at the restaurant. So here is our food. Yeah, so I order for jollof rice and chicken with some salad, and it goes with water. And also I order for beef sauce, fried rice, and some dessert for us in the room. So yeah, as you guys, we are about to eat, and after we are done eating, we will go to the pool and have some fun over there. And after the pool, I think we will go for dinner, and after dinner they say they have karaoke night, so we go listen to some people sing, and probably they will sing one of his songs. I wish. So you guys, wait, let me open the food for my husband, because I think I'm going to drink water for now. Oh. Honey, can I try your food? Yeah, so guys, this place is so nice. All their stuff is well clean and packaged. So this is the fork and the knife for the food. Yeah, I'm just going to try the jollof a little bit. Tastes wow. So guys, this is food for my husband, and yeah, we are going clean, so no juice. My husband is not allowing me to drink juice these days. I don't know why. So yeah, you guys, let's finish eating and we'll go to the pool together. I love you.
Hi, so here we are in the
getting here, guys. So it's dinner time, and we are about to go have dinner. So Dee went outside to get me some painkillers. So right now, I'm a little bit okay, so I can go out there and have dinner. Okay, so we are going to have dinner, and look at your girl looking all fly. I was supposed to wear heels, but I can't. I'm so tired. My feet hurts. Like I told you guys, I feel kind of sick. All right. So this is me right here, and we are going to have some dinner. You will see my husband later, right? Because he's doing the recording that we can't find our stand, so you guys will get to see him later. But you know what? Let's go and have dinner together. When we get there, you will see what we will eat.
My favorite producer. I'm Dixon Beats.